Christmas memories. I've been working so much.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we have a couple of things going on. I'm going to be doing a quick lazy Saturday cook and clean with me, where I do the ultimate meal for a lazy Saturday, chili in the slow cooker. In addition to that, I am going to share my latest haul from Grove Collaborative. As you guys know, I order from Grove pretty regularly, so I wanted to show you guys some of the staples that I order on a regular basis. So if you're interested, then keep on watching.
You and me hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been.
So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Yoshika, and I'm a millennial wife in the Atlanta area. On my channel, I do tons and tons of cleaning motivation. In addition to that, I do a little bit of DIY style videos and home decor. So if that's up your alley, then just keep on watching. If you are not a new subscriber and you are a regular, welcome back and shout out to you. Thank you guys so much as always for your support. And yeah, let's keep going with the video.
And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me.
Okay guys, so here I am as promised, sharing my latest haul from Grove. To be honest, I don't even remember what it is that I got in here, so we will all find out together. Okay, so first up, I got this Method coconut water hand soap. So in all of the bathrooms in my house, I tend to use like leftover soaps from like the little sets that I put in the kitchen. But I found the need to have just buy soap specifically for the bathrooms around the house. So yeah, I got this. I also have the Method hand wash refill. So this is kind of like the foaming hand wash. This is just, and I apologize for my dog in the background, but this is the regular hand soap refilled, and so I use this in soap dispensers also in the bathrooms. So I was just re-upping on bath soap. Let's see what else is in here. Surprise, surprise, another hand soap. So I decided to try a new scent today, or this batch, and it's the radish scent from Mrs. Meyer's. I've never tried the radish scent, so let's see what it smells like. These two are kind of neutral smelling. It smells very earthy, but I guess that makes sense. It's radish, right? Okay. Only a couple more things in here. This was actually a small order. So I re-upped on my favorite walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. So I always have these on deck in my kitchen under the sink, and pretty much primarily use these in my kitchen. And then I just re-upped on my favorite fabric softener and laundry detergent, both from Method. So I've been using these almost for like a year exclusively now, and specifically this mango, what's the name of the scent? Ginger mango scent. So really like these, smell really good. Some people say it smells kind of like a men's perfume. I don't agree with that. I like the scent of it, which is why I use it. But yeah, I would highly recommend. But that's pretty much it. That's all I got from Grove this time. It was a pretty small haul, and just filling up on like the essentials that I need. So like my hand soaps, detergent, which I use regularly, obviously, and sponges. So yeah, let me know down below, what do you normally get from Grove when you order on there? All right, back to the cleaning. So I feel like every single clip at my sink starts with me moving plants back to my plant room. You guys let me know if you'd be interested in a plant tour or plant care style video. I'd be happy to share that with you guys. Plants are a recent obsession of mine, and I would love to share the love with you guys.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Another regular staple in my videos is this blue pan that I'm always scrubbing. I love this thing so much for baking and roasting stuff in the oven, but it is not fun to scrub that thing every time I use it. That said, I would highly recommend a pan like this. It actually came with my oven, so I'm not sure where you could get one standalone. I'm sure you can, but it's awesome, and every time I cook things on it, the meat comes out nice and crispy even though it's been cooked in the oven. So shout out to that pan, but not shout out to the fact that I have to scrub it with all of the elbow grease in me every single time I use it, which is really regularly.
It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe.
So my chili recipe is so super duper easy. It's like a no-brainer. So basically what I do is I will brown my meat. This time I'm using ground turkey, and I just season it up with a few favorite seasonings like paprika, cumin, onion, and garlic powder, and chili powder. And then I'll cook that all up in the meat and then move everything over to the crock pot. So the meat, onions, tomatoes, obviously the beans, the chili seasoning packet. I mix that all together in the slow cooker, and I just leave it on, depending on the time of day, I'll leave it on low or high, pretty much until we're ready to eat dinner. And it always cooks down so amazing. I did forget to catch a clip of this after it was fully cooked, so I do apologize for that, but it was delicious.
Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you. I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Hold on, it's time for it to reappear.
Alright guys, we are approaching the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's Cook and Clean with Me video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the added Grove Collaborative haul. Once again, let me know down below what you guys normally get from Grove. I'm always looking for recommendations of things to try, just new items. I'm definitely a products junkie in all aspects of my life, including cleaning products. So yeah, let me know down below what your regulars are from Grove. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya!